We have been working on an exterior clean here for this property, and they're going to the request that we clean the asphalt. As you can see, the asphalt, especially over where the tree has been, it's gotten this fairly heavy greenish mould tinge to it. You'll see with asphalt that it holds a tremendous amount of dirt and dust. Let me show you here this section here that I've just cleaned. Whilst it is newer, you can see how much fresher and cleaner it looks. So that's what we're hoping to achieve here. I'll show you the results as we work, and also then of course at the end. This is the in progress clean. So whenever you're working on asphalt, you can't use heat, you can't use any hot water, just because of the natural oil in the asphalt. I just want to show you this here. We started to actually work and clean this section. You can see how much dirt is being held on the asphalt alone. So I'll show you this here. This is a rotary surface cleaner that we use. It gets great results on asphalt. You have to work quite slowly and steady. You can see how much fresher that asphalt looks compared to, you know, what he's got now. So the process for this is really to move slowly through every section, much in the way that we're working now. You can see the dirt coming off there, and then basically towards the end what we'll do is we'll do another rinse of all the asphalt, and I'll show you the end results. Here are the results. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner and a lot more presentable. You can see where it's starting to dry. It's still a little bit here which needs to be rinsed, but for the most part it looks a lot better. So if you are looking to sell your property or to present it in a way that kind of really lifts it, you can clean asphalt, and it does come up fairly well. You can see the texture of the asphalt here a lot better than you could before. There you go, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video.